What's up my champions, liqueur, my fellow bartenders and budding mixologists. Welcome back to another video. I'm Travis at Splash Purist. I hope you're following my 90-second cocktail program where I show you how to make all the classical drinks along with this one, the Bramble, in 90 seconds. The Bramble was created in the 1980s by cocktail legend Duck Bradsell, and it's basically a gin sour built over crushed ice, over which you will drizzle or bleed some Creme De Mure and form an ombre between the lime and the red as the Creme De Mure falls through the drink. So a couple of things to absolutely nail on the Bramble. Number one, it's a short drink that's got crushed ice in it, and the crushed ice will melt really quickly. So don't be shy to get the gin in there so that it will stand up as the ice melts. Number two, because this is made with Creme De Mure, that is already a sweet liqueur, and so I would suggest taking down the sugar syrup so that the balance of the drink is just right.
So here we go, Duck Bradsell's Bramble.